But first tonight, top medical leaders around the metro concerned about the COVID-19 pandemic as we head into the fall.
Yeah, Kevin, here in the metro, 157 new cases reported today alone. Sadly, 9 more people in our area have died from this virus. Experts say it's critical we act now to stop the spread.
41 Actions reporter Emma James explains how hospitals are working with schools and businesses to address the community.
Truman Medical Center is one of a handful of hospitals who will gather for a virtual briefing Wednesday to talk about the status of the pandemic in the region and how the community can move forward. According to the KCMO COVID dashboard, the current 2-week positivity rate is 9.71. The 18 to 22-year-old age range has the highest number of cases. Steve Hager, co-chair of the Mid-America Regional Council Healthcare Coalition, says it's important to keep in mind hospitals are still at risk of being overrun, especially with the holidays around the corner.
If families go to see grandma and grandpa that they maybe have avoided personal contact with for a number of months, then we start to get it back into that population.
Wednesday's virtual briefing will include chief medical officers from local hospitals, the Greater Kansas City Chamber of Commerce, and school leaders like Dr. Kenny Southwick with the cooperating school districts of Greater Kansas City.
We're educators, we're not medical professionals, so we're really relying on them to provide good, solid advice and watch the data as it evolves.
Southwick says whether districts are going back in person, virtually, or in a hybrid manner, they all have the end goal of being in person.
That's not going to happen overnight, and we know that. But if we work it together, all of us, we've got a chance to beat this.
In Kansas City, Emma James, 41 Action News.
According to the Johns Hopkins University COVID-19 tracking project, the state of Kansas has a 16% positivity rate. That's an increase from 11.4 over the course of a week. In Missouri, Johns Hopkins reporting a positivity rate of 13.8%. That rate is down from 14.4.